Imagine capturing epic aerial footage of your adventures. No FAA headaches, no bulky gear, just pocket-sized power at your fingertips. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 mini drones that combine stability, long flight times, and stunning camera quality. Stick around to find the perfect compact copter for your next flight mission. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpic.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have DJI Neo, the best budget mini drone. Fly high with the DJI Neo, the best budget mini drone on the market. This lightweight marvel makes aerial adventures easy and fun for beginners. You can effortlessly hold it in your hand, then let it take off with just a press of a button. The programmed shots do all the hard work, letting you capture great drone selfies, or dronies, in no time. Expert pilots will also enjoy this drone's manual control options. It works perfectly with DJI's controllers, FPV goggles, or even your smartphone. Speed lovers will appreciate its ability to reach 20 miles per hour, providing an exhilarating flying experience that other mini drones can't match. Built-in AI functionality smoothly tracks your movements, making it ideal for vlogging. Recording in stunning 4K 30p makes sure your footage catches every detail. What stands out is its user-friendly design. Most drones demand extensive training, but the Neo simplifies the learning curve. Although it has a somewhat noisy performance, think of a playful Banshee, this minor quirk doesn't overshadow its capabilities. Durability impresses as well, with shrouded propellers ensuring safety for both you and others nearby. After extensive testing, it's clear DJI crafted this drone with love and quality in mind. Expecting a reliable and fun flying experience? The DJI Neo delivers. Keep watching. Our next pick gives you half-hour airtime and multi-mile range to explore without limits. At number 4, we have DJI Mini4, the best mini beginner drone. Ready to take your aerial photography to new heights? DJI Mini4 is simply the best mini beginner drone on the market. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to transport. Weighing just 249 grams, you can slip it into your bag without a second thought. Plus, there's no FAA registration needed in the US, making it hassle-free to fly. You will appreciate its impressive 31-minute flight time and a range of up to 6.2 miles. Such features give you the freedom to explore vast locations without worries. The straightforward control scheme eases beginners into flying, while allowing seasoned pilots to stretch their skills. Shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second offers stunning footage quality. You'll be amazed by the 12-megapixel still images, making it ideal for capturing special moments. The gimbal stabilizes the camera, ensuring smooth video and sharp photos. While it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, this aspect encourages experienced flying. Beginners should fly in open spaces, gaining confidence over time. Consider this learning curve an opportunity rather than a setback. What I love most about this drone is its stability and quieter operation compared to other models. Once you've practiced, you'll find it nimble and reliable. Aerial photography becomes accessible and enjoyable with DJI Mini4. Don't blink. Coming up is a pocket-sized selfie specialist that tracks you like a pro. Still searching for the perfect mini drone? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have HoverAir X1, the best mini selfie drone. Elevate your selfie game with the HoverAir X1. This mini drone stands out as the best choice for capturing stunning moments effortlessly. Carry it anywhere. It fits right in your pocket. You can easily bring it along for spontaneous outings, ensuring you never miss a chance to snap memorable pictures. Enjoy seamless flying even as a beginner. With its preset modes, you can relax while it navigates and captures beautiful shots on its own. One of this drone's standout features is subject tracking. It intelligently avoids obstacles, keeping your subjects in focus and your shots crisp. Video quality impresses, rivaling larger drones. You'll cherish sharp visuals that bring your memories to life. Extended battery life means you'll spend more time flying and less time recharging. However, controls may take some getting used to. With practice, you'll master the navigation and enjoy the full experience. What I love most about the HoverAir X1 is its perfect balance of portability and performance. This drone shines in convenience, making drone flying fun and easy for everyone. In a market filled with mini drones, it truly stands apart. If you want to capture amazing selfies without complicated setups, this is an excellent choice. Hold tight. Shortly, you'll meet the drone that puts quadcopter stability and HD video in your palm. At number 2, we have DJI Tello, the best quadcopter UAV mini drone. Ready to elevate your photography game? DJI Tello stands out as the best mini drone quadcopter UAV for newcomers. This compact wonder makes capturing fleeting moments super easy. You'll appreciate its user-friendly interface. It enables you to snap quick photos and shoot videos effortlessly. With a 5-megapixel camera, capture stunning images in vibrant detail. Recording HD videos at 720 pixels lets you share quality content effortlessly. 2 built-in antennas enhance video transmission speed. This feature ensures you enjoy smooth playback without annoying interruptions. A high-capacity battery extends your flight time significantly, allowing longer aerial adventures. You can perform impressive flying tricks that make each outing more exciting. Included accessories provide everything you need. This thoughtful packaging makes it even simpler for beginners to get started right away. Other drones often require extra purchases, but Tello comes ready to fly. What I loved most is its ability to balance simplicity with capability. Most drones in this class struggle with performance, but Tello excels with its steady flight. Users transitioning from less capable models will feel at home immediately. While not designed for advanced photographers, it serves as an excellent introduction to drone flying. Frequent flyers might find the flight time shorter than premium models, but it keeps you soaring longer than many competitors. Brace yourself. Next, we unveil the ultimate mini that shoots vertical 4K and senses obstacles flawlessly. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have DJI Mini4 Pro, the best mini drone overall. Meet the DJI Mini4 Pro, your new go-to for captivating aerial shots. This drone outshines previous models like the Mini2 and Mini3, making it a top choice for enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the 90-degree rotating camera, which simplifies the creation of vertical videos. Now, snapping vibrant shots of skyscrapers or social media moments is a breeze. One of my favorite aspects is its intelligent tracking. No matter how fast you move, it follows seamlessly while dodging obstacles. This aspect is especially crucial during outdoor adventures, allowing you to focus on enjoying the moment rather than worrying about potential crashes. Low light performance is remarkably impressive. Unlike many drones, this model excels even in tricky lighting, ensuring that your videos remain clear and vibrant under various conditions. You can confidently shoot at dusk or dawn without sacrificing quality. Enjoying a smooth flying experience comes easy with its 1080p 60 FPS video transmission. This feature delivers a highly responsive control feel, enhancing both your footage and overall flying pleasure. While longer battery life would enhance exploration, the existing duration still offers a decent amount of flight time. This drone truly shines in versatility, catering to both casual users and dedicated filmmakers. What excites me most about the DJI Mini4 Pro is how it combines ease of use with professional features. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best mini drones. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which mini drone you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.